Hey, what is up, everyone? Here's how to import photos from iPhone to PC. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you the easiest way for us to get this done. First things first, I have here my phone, and then what we are going to do is essentially head over to our App Store, and here, our App Store, we're going to go ahead and download AirDroid. So, AirDroid is the application that we are going to be using here. It's going to be very simple. So, what you are looking for is this one right here. And yeah, go ahead and open it once you have downloaded this one. And then from here, what you're going to do is just simply hit for My Devices in here. There you go. And then we're going to open AirDroid Web. And then from here, what we are going to do now is just essentially open that particular link. So you have here this one right here. So 192.168.10.166.888. As you can see, I have been using this for a very long time now. Now, if I'm going to go ahead and hit the enter button right here, I'm going to go ahead and place this here. You should be able to see this exit button. You can just go ahead and accept that over there. And as you can see, you are now in. So you have photos here, you have videos. Now, if I were to download photos, I can just head over and open it just like so. I'm going to go ahead and make this full screen, and then you should be able to see here your different albums. So say for example Instagram, I'm going to go ahead and open it, and then I'm going to go ahead and select all. So you can just go ahead and click the download button here just like so, and then as you can see, you have now downloaded the entire file itself. So I'm going to keep this as of now, and then if I were to open it, you should be able to see here all of the photos in there. So again, everybody, that is the easiest way on how to import photos from iPhone to PC.